Updating you on my new second largest holding in the stock market. I'm excited about this one. I recently found a great investor on Twitter that unironically has the same exact holdings I've been getting into with the same exact sector by sector philosophy. If you didn't know, my sector by sector basis is Ethereum and DATS, and a bunch of industrial companies, HVAC and thermal solutions, nuclear energy, data centers, and also any industrials that are supporting the sector like power grids. We'll be talking about power grids, or specifically ENS stock. This is how I found IREN last year. Getting literally before the hype just because of valuation netted me 300%. Notably, my other nuclear energy plays and natural gas plays 92 and 65%. Even more thermal solution companies and even more nuclear energy companies and natural gas players. I have in my eye on ENS not only because Trump recently said they need to upgrade the power grid. Their old crummy power grid, he said they're going to be investing 10 times more than the last 10 years combined, with $1 trillion projected to the next year. Not only this, ENS is in this hyped play that's gone up like crazy. It's barely up on the year due to momentum from the sector, but the sector is up a lot more. This is a pure cut value play, just like I said for Phoenix Energy. A 1 times price to sales and an 11 PE ratio in this economy is crazy. I will acknowledge there's bubbles in sectors. The stock market's not in a bubble yet, and this is specifically undervalued, opposite of a bubble. This I can get exposure to the power grid sector with the United States funding. Also, I can get exposure to robotics play that will be specifically funding power blocks and batteries specifically for these robotics companies, and also military contracts dating back all the way to 2019 that's not to be on the public record. Stock Talk sells his Discord for $89.99 per month. No way I'm paying that, but there's good views, and on his Twitter he does say some good stuff about it. He talked about ENS and these power grid stocks, and I've had PAL and ENS on my watch list for a very, very long time. They have been down, but they have been momentuming up due to these very reasons. Another one is PLPC. But specifically for ENS, even if the market does tank, it's at a great valuation. I don't see it really going any much lower. This is personally my strategy, buying either by large cap stocks, I get into swing IPOs, or buy into Ethereum at a good price, or Bitcoin. But I'm always one to look and find the next big sector. I don't find random stocks that can pop. I target a specific sector and do my own research on valuation and also profitability and everything due to contracts, just like Stock Talk did. He is an amazing guy, amazing investor, heard him speak, instantly hooked. Also, with my ETH strategy, even if Ethereum goes down, I have faith in this sector to go up, so I don't miss out on the bull run. So if Ethereum does tank, I can use the money for my gains there, or just net evens and just invest it back in ETH, or vice versa. It's time I got a little bit more exposure and diversification, and ENS is the stock pick I am going into.